Hello, good day everyone. Today I'm much excited to make this video because in this video we are going to solve a quadratic trinomial with five different method. So let's start. Here is our question. 6x square plus 7x minus 3. It is a quadratic trinomial with the leading coefficient is not equal to 1. And first of all, we use a method. This method is called a AC method. AC method with group. So in this method, our question is 6x square plus 7x minus 3. And look at this. It's a 6 and it's a minus 3. If we multiply 6 and minus 3, we get a minus 18. 6 3s are 18. So we split this number minus 18 into two number in such a way that if we multiply these two numbers we get this number. So and if we multiply these two numbers then we get a minus 18. So these two numbers are minus 2 and 9. If we multiply this 2 by 9 we get a minus 18, and if we add these two number then we get a plus 7, and it is our middle number. So we can write this as a 6x square minus this is a 2x and plus 9 minus 3. So now look at these two terms. The common factor is 2x. So if we divide 6 by 2, we get a 3, and if we divide x square by x, then we get a x. And this is a minus. If we divide 2 by 2, then we get a 1. And if we divide x by x, then we get a 1. And sorry, here's a x. And the common factor of 9x and minus 3 is plus 3. If we divide 9 by 3 we get a 3, and this is a x, and divide 3 by 3 then we get a 1. So we can write this as a 2x plus 3, and this is a 3x minus 1. So it's our answer. Now we start a second method. So the second method is AC method with box. So we write a question 6x square plus 7x minus 3. Now here we draw a box like this, and now look at this. If we multiply these two values then we get a minus 18. If we split a minus 18 then we get a minus 2 and 9. Okay, and now after draw a box we can write a first number which is 6x square, and after that we write this number. This is a minus 2x, and after that write a this which is a 9x, and the last number is minus 3. Now look at the just this first row. The common factor of, just look at this. Okay, the common factor of 6x square and minus 2x is 2x. Now look at the second row. This is a 9x and it's a minus 3. So the common factor is plus 3. Okay, now look at the first column. The common factor of 6x square and 9x is 3x. And now look at this second column. The common factor of this is minus 1. Now we can write this as a this is a 3x and minus 1. So this is a 3x minus 1, and this is a 2x plus 3, and it's a factor of our required question. So our third method is AC method, word variant. So let's start. Our question is 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. And look at this. If we multiply this 6 and 3, we get a minus 18, and same we split this number minus 2 and 9. So we draw a two set of parentheses like this. Its first number is 6x square. We just write a 6x here and also at here, and factor is minus 2 and 9, so we write here a minus 2 and this is a plus 9. Now look at this, the factor of 6x and minus 2 is 2, so we divide this whole part by 2. Okay, now after cancellation we get a 3x and this is a 1. So we get this. Now look at this, the common factor of 6x and 9 is 3, so we divide this equation by 3. After cancellation, this is a 3 ones are 3 and 3 2, this will become a 2x and this is a 3, so we get a 3. So we get a factorization of our question by using a AC method variant. So for method which is slide and divide, so let's start. First of all, we write a question again, which is 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. It's our question. We write this as a x squared. We just write a x squared with coefficient 1, and after that we write this value 7x, and if we multiply this two value, then we get a minus 18, and so we just write a minus 18. And now we make a factor, and you know its factor is easy because its coefficient of x square is 1, so we write this as a x, and here also write a x, and if we split this two number, so here we write a x, and it's also write x, so after that we write a minus 2 and this is a plus 9. Now divide these two numbers by 6 because we don't use 6, so we divide 2 by 6 and also 9 by 6, and after cancellation we get 1 over 3, and here we after cancellation we get a 3 over 2, and we multiply this 3 by x, so we get a 3x minus 1, and this we multiply this 2 by x, then we get a 2x plus 9, and it is our factor of our required question. And here is our last method, tic-tac-toe. So let's start. Our question is 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. So we draw a box like this. Factorization of 6x is 2x and 3x, and factorization of minus 1 is 3 and minus 1. If we multiply this we get at a minus 3. Now if we multiply this by minus 1 we get a minus 2x, and if we multiply 3x by 3 we get a 9x. Now look at this, if we this is a plus 9 and this is a minus 2, if we solve it we get a plus 7, this value. So we write this as a 2x plus 3 and this is a 3x minus 1. It's a factorization of our question. Tell me which method you like the most. Thank you so much for watching video.